So now this is the series motor, load test on series motor. Series motor supply, this is the 220 voltage, and here it is, we are using the to on the machine, it is this 3-point starter we are using. 3-point starter means LAZ, the field is going to through Z, and through armature it is going to A is connected through this starter, and this is the armature terminals AA, and the field winding Z, and series field winding is Y. And here we are applying to this machine the load is by using brake drum. This is the load connected with the weights W1, W2. So coming to the circuit diagram. So this is the supply, positive and negative. So this positive and negative is connected directly to this starter L, A, Z. The Z is going to the field, shunt field, and armature terminals. This A is going to, L is coming from main. So through this ammeter. So now we are going to connect the armature. So this is the ammeter we have connected. So this is the positive is connected to the ammeter one terminal, and another terminal is going to the line. So like this. So the line is our input supply. Next we have to go for field as well as armature terminals. So now we are going to the armature terminals. A, the 3-point starter A terminal is going to the armature of A terminal, and next A is going to the series field winding Y, and next again YY to the YY is gone to the negative of the supply. That's all. Yes. Next the field shunt field winding. So this we have taken ZZ from the starter itself. So another terminal from Z to one of the restart. This is a field restart. We are keeping at the minimum position before going to start the machine, and the another terminal is going to the Z of the field winding, and ZZ and YY shorted, and this is going to the negative of the supply. And here we are using LAF starter by using this starting method. We have to rotate this one before going to start the machine. To start the machine we have to rotate like this. This is the starter is linked to this setup. That's okay. So in the case of series motor, we have to start the machine with the load, by this load. So here we have applied initially the W1, W2 is some load already applied. So without load we cannot start the series motors. That is a fundamental rule we have studied from the class. But the shunt machine no need to start with load. But here before starting the machine, series machine, you have to keep some load. Then only you have to start load. Otherwise it may be going higher speeds. Here the supply voltage is 220, nearby 200. And the starter, with the help of 3-point starter, we are going to start the machine. Water.